Guys, welcome back to the ESCAPADES. So thank you guys for your continued support. So in this video we are going to be discussing or showcasing on how to apply for a certificate of no impediment to marriage. So in the first thing, you will have to log in into a citizen account as I have done over here and proceed on to the registrar of marriage tab over here. From here, once you click on the registrar of marriage tab, it is going to bring you to this particular landing page whereby you'll find the services as listed below. There is a registration of marriage. You can find this particular video on our channel, and I'm also going to link it down below on the description. From there is licensing of ministers of faith, then the certificate of no impediment to marriage, which we are going to focus on today, then the application of certified copy. We are going to cover this on our next video, so stay tuned for that. Then issuance of a marriage book. This one is for the ministers of faith. They are given this marriage book once to help you once you are getting married. So let's proceed on to the certificate of no impediment to marriage. Click on that and it's going to bring you to this particular page on the office of the Attorney General. So let's continue on to the instructions. So this is a certificate issued by the office of the registrar of marriage, confirming that a Kenyan national has no existing marriage record, hence competent to get married outside the country. So guys, if you would wish to get married outside the country, you'll need that certificate mostly so that you can be certified to marry someone outside the Kenyan outside Kenya. So from there, let's proceed on to the requirements. The first requirement is to fill in the application form. Then we are going to upload these particular documents: the applicant passport, the applicant colored passport photo, the applicant's birth certificate, fiancé passport photo, death certificate if widow or widower, divorce decrees if you have divorced from your previous partner, a sworn affidavit if your previous partner was died and it should not be more than 2 years old. Then for Kenyan residing abroad, you are required to upload certified copies of the above document. Certifications can be done by a Kenyan mission or embassy or notary public abroad. For Kenyans in Kenya whose fiancé is abroad, you will be required to upload a certified copy of your fiancé passport. Applicants residing in Kenya shall be required to submit originals of your passport, birth certificate, and original certified copies of your fiancé passport. Then from there, a certificate of no impediment to marriage is valid for only 6 months from the date of issue. Then upon approval, the applicant will be notified to pay a fee of 10,050 Kenya shillings or using the eCitizen platform. So let's proceed to the next part. In this particular section up here, it's where we'll find the applicant's details, the name, the phone number, and also the email and the place where they are applying it from. Then from there, we'll continue on to the applicant country of residence. So let's say I'm applying for this certificate when I'm in Kenya. The applicant country of birth, which is also Kenya. Then my passport number, so I'll just write my passport number over here. Then from here, applicant country of birth. So this is also county of birth. So my county of birth is Nairobi. So let me check on Nairobi. Let's just say Kiambu. Then applicant place of birth, so I'm going to write KNH Kiambu. Date of birth, so for this one, let me just say I was born in 2000, January 2000, like that. Then my gender, applicant's age, it's asking you if you are less than 40 years or above 40 years. So I am less than 40 years. Then race, my race is African. Religion, my religion is Christianity. Last place of resident in Kenya, let's just say Kiambu. My occupation, let's just say something. Let's just say administrative assistant. Marital status as per right now it's bachelor, but please make sure you apply that the one that applies to you. There is bachelor, divorced or widower. So for me it's bachelor, so I'll proceed there and just proceed to next. And yeah, so guys, we proceed to next over here, and from here we are going to add our parents details, my parents, the applicant's details for the parents. So if the father is the details of the father are available, you are going to add them there, and if the details of the mother are also available, you are going to add them there. So, and if parents are available, you are going to add them there. So in this case, I'll just say both parents are available, so that it brings us to this particular tab over here, whereby we're going to just write their names. So the father's name, my father's middle name, my mom's middle name, then the other one. You just fill in this like that with their official names. This is just for demonstration purposes. So once you are done filling that, the parents details, you just proceed to next, whereby it will bring you to this particular section, whereby you will have to indicate the spouse details, their first name, middle name, last name, the country of marriage, yeah, the place of marriage, and the date of marriage. Yeah, so you're going to indicate your spouse details. So just like that. Then you're also coming to write here the country of marriage, then the place of marriage, then the date of marriage, when you would want to get married. Yeah, like that. Then from there you're going to just proceed to next. Then in this particular section, it's whereby you're going to upload this particular documents: the bridegroom passport size photo with a white background, the bridegroom certified passport copy, bridegroom certified birth certificate, the bride passport photo, and also the bride passport copy. Then from there you're going to add any additional documents down there. So once you are done with that, you just proceed to next. So let us just continue to upload these particular documents. I'm going to upload just random documents from my computer. So let us upload something random. Let me just look for a few documents that we can upload right there. So where are these documents? So in this section it needs a passport photo, so it must be in JPEG. In this also needs a JPEG. All this needs JPEG. All this JPEG. Also that one is JPEG. The brides, also this one JPEG. All this should be JPEG. All these documents. Then once you have uploaded all the documents, you'll just proceed to next, whereby you'll download this particular form. Click here to download the Certificate of No Impediment form. Print, sign, scan and upload it below. So once you click on this certificate, it's going to showcase everything as follows. It's going to show you the passport photo of the applicant, the passport photo of the groom on the other side. Then it's going to also show you this particular section, the register of marriage from Nairobi, whereas I wish to marry this particular groom at Kenya on this particular date. Now I hereby apply for the certificate of the registrar of marriage that he is not aware of any legal impediment to the intended marriage, and I hereby declare that I am not already married to another person. My particulars. So yeah, as you can see, there is my particulars over here. This is my name, place of birth, my date, sex, race, religion, last place of residence, occupation, and the condition that I am in this particular when I'm applying for this particular application. Then from hereby you're going to write the date of application, right over here, the date, the month, the year, and you're going to sign. Once you have signed this particular document, you will come and upload it right over here in PDF format. So let's just find a PDF document. Where will we find a PDF document? Let's say like this one. No, let's use something else. A PDF document, PDF, just a random PDF. Just a random PDF document. Let's just find something to attach. Okay. So we'll just attach a random PDF document like that. Then once we attach, you'll just proceed to complete, and it will bring you to this particular section whereby it's showing you like the application is under review. So once they have reviewed all the information that you have given and everything is correct and it's satisfactory, they're going to text you in your phone number, whereby now you'll be able to go ahead and pay for the 10,050 Kenya shillings so that you can get the certificate of no impediment to marriage. I hope that video was informative enough, guys. Until next time, guys, goodbye.